Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling offline access in Google Drive, open settings and toggle offline on. Make sure you have enough free space, close background apps, and plug power if needed. Next, choose the folders and files you'll need. Mark each as available offline on mobile or right-click on desktop. Once done, Drive will cache data locally so you can open and edit without Wi-Fi. This first setup takes a few minutes, but it prevents lost access later. You now confirm sync behavior. Open Drive for desktop and set which folders to mirror or stream. Mirroring keeps local copies immediately available. On mobile, open the Docs, Sheets, or Slides app and ensure offline files are downloaded. When you edit, changes save to the local cache. Drive queues them for upload when you reconnect. Make sure to check timestamps and device names if two edits conflict, because Drive prioritizes the newest saved version and will create a conflict copy if needed. When you reconnect, open the Drive app to trigger immediate sync. You can also pause and resume syncing in Drive for desktop to force uploads. If you see conflict copies, compare edits and use Drive's version history to restore or merge changes. Make sure uploads finish before deleting local files. If sync stalls, restart the app, check available storage, or sign out and back in. This usually clears stale tokens. Finally, if problems persist, reboot your device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.